You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this famous super long bridge in the south of France. Viaduc de Millau. That's your French pronunciation here. Viaduc de Millau. Millau is the town that is underneath it. Viaduc de Millau. Or if you cannot pronounce French, you can say viaduct or viaduc de Millau. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.